just get it aside and take a look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me give this a little taste. Wow. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon for notifications on the menu today. We're going to make this chicken, lemon, garlic chicken. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone. We're calling this double garlic, double lemon because there is a lot of garlic in here and a hell of a lot of lemon. It's really simple. Just going to marinate it and then we'll get to the cooker and grill it off. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. Very few ingredients, in fact. So we've got our chicken breast here. I've got 3 chicken breasts. Skin's been taken off. There's no bone or anything in there, just pure chicken meat. Now, as you can maybe see, I've cut slices down them. And I've done that on both sides. What that does is it opens it out. Lets a lot of our marination get right in there. So I've done that, like I say, on both sides. Now, lemon juice, garlic. Now we've got, you know, like a big cup of lemon juice there and a ton of garlic. I mean, there's loads and loads of garlic there. So yeah, you can maybe add a little less if you want, but we're going for a kind of double garlic today. And then to that, I'm simply gonna add some olive oil, and optional, I'm gonna add some chili flakes and some salt and pepper. Now you don't have to add the chili flakes. Add something else if you want. I mean, you could not add anything, but think of something else, some oregano or some turmeric, chili powder, or some other kind of spice, rosemary or something like that. Very simply, we're going to get all that mixed together. Could not be simpler. So, got a little bowl here, mixing bowl. In goes our lemon juice. And if you wanted, you could try lime juice as well. Lime juice works really nicely, slightly different flavour. The olive oil. So I've gone like 2 parts lemon or to 1 part of the olive oil. The optional chili flakes, which I really like in there. Some salt. Some black pepper. And then an astonishing amount of garlic. That really is a lot of garlic there. It's like maybe 2 heads of garlic chopped. What we're going to do now is, ideally overnight, you want to put this, you know, cover this over with some plastic wrap or shrink wrap, cling film, whatever you call that. But yeah, ideally overnight, but minimum 2 hours really. Let the lemon juice really do its thing and all those spices and obviously that wonderful garlic get in there and do its job. The longer you leave it, the better. Okay, so I've left my chicken for 2 hours. There you go. Like I say, overnight is actually better. Now I've got a pan here, frying pan. We don't need anything in it, no oil or anything. What we're going to do is pick our chicken up and we're going to drop it in. Now we're on a fairly low heat. And you see all that balance that we've got there? We're going to be putting that on. I'll speak to you about that just now. So yeah, we're on a low heat. Not a simmer, above a simmer. Now I'm going to cook this chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes because of the size of the chicken, and I'm going to be turning it often. Now what we're going to do is we're going to throw this on as it's cooking, but you need to throw all of that on in the first half of the cooking, because remember that is raw chicken that has been sitting in. So within the first sort of 3 to 4 minutes, all of that is going to go on. We're going to be turning. Make sure that you follow that, because you don't want the raw chicken juice near the end. Get it in straight away. Okay, so we're now halfway through. I'm putting the last of the marination on. Very, very important that, guys, because otherwise you can get some sort of food poisoning or something. We don't want that happening, do we? So I'm going to be turning it a few more times. This marination and juice will dry out. I'm going to end up with some really lovely, succulent, juicy chicken. Okay, and off goes the heat. And this chicken is beautifully done. It's going to be super moist inside. Obviously loads of lemon and loads of garlic. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.